Welcome to the inaugural episode of the Stock Survivor series, where we pit industry titans against each other in a battle of financial prowess. In this episode, we have two semiconductor giants, Nvidia and AMD. We'll evaluate them across several challenges to determine which company emerges victorious. Let's dive into the competition. Challenge 1: Earnings Growth. Nvidia, for earnings performance, reported revenue of $39.3 billion for the quarter ending January 26, 2025, marking a 12% increase from the previous quarter and a substantial 78% year-over-year growth. GAAP earnings per diluted share stood at 0.89, reflecting a 14% sequential increase and an 82% from the same period last year. Meanwhile, AMD achieved record annual revenue of $25.8 billion in 2024 with a gross margin of 49%. The operating income was $1.9 billion and net income reached $1.6 billion, resulting in diluted earnings per share of $1. On a non-GAAP basis, the gross margin was a record 53%, with operating income at $6.1 billion and net income at $5.4 billion, leading to diluted earnings per share of 3.31. Let's move into Challenge 2: Growth Potential. Nvidia maintains a dominant position in the AI accelerator market, holding over 80% market share. The company's GPUs are integral to AI infrastructure, and recent announcements such as the Rubin chip series indicate a commitment to advancing AI capabilities. AMD, on the other hand, under CEO Lisa Su's leadership, has made significant strides, particularly in the data center segment, where annual revenue nearly doubled in 2024. The company's focus on enhancing its software ecosystem and supporting open source platforms aims to position it as a strong competitor in the AI sector. Challenge number 3: Market Position. As of 2024 Q4, Nvidia's GPU market share reached 90%, underscoring its leadership in the discrete GPU market. AMD, on the other hand, holds approximately 5% of the GPU market. However, when considering both GPU and CPU segments, AMD's market share rises to 11%. The company is actively working to increase its presence in the AI accelerator market, where it currently holds a 4% share compared to Nvidia's 80% plus. Challenge number 4: Risk Factors. Nvidia, despite its strong performance, the shares experienced a 3.4% drop following the announcement of the Rubin chip series, indicating investor concerns about future chip demand and revenue growth. AMD, on the other hand, faces challenges in closing the market share gap with Nvidia. The company's smaller presence in the AI accelerator market could pose risks if it fails to capture a larger share of this rapidly growing sector. After evaluating both contenders across multiple challenges, AMD has shown resilience and growth potential. However, Nvidia's dominant market position, continuous innovation, and strong financial performance make it the stronger contender in this matchup. AMD, you've put up a valiant fight, but in this round of Stock Survivor series, you've been eliminated. The winner of this episode, Nvidia! Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and comment what competition you would like to see next. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye now.